Hi everyone, it's Sean from Vixen Digital, PPC agency in Brighton. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Google Tag Manager on your WordPress website. So without further delay, let's get started. Hi everyone, so let's jump right in. So we're going to get this Google Tag Manager account set up on our installed on our WordPress website. So first of all, we need to make sure we're actually logged in with our Google account, and then we're going to go to the Tag Manager homepage, and we're actually going to have to create an account. So we're just going to do that really quickly. So my website is called My Fake Shop, so I'm just going to call the account name the same. So it's My Fake Shop. Country is going to be United Kingdom. Container name. So this is your the name of your actual Google Tag Manager container. I'm going to call this the website name. So I'm just going to copy that over. I'm going to take out this, and it's for web use. Create. Agree to the terms and conditions. Yes. And then we get taken to the Tag Manager homepage. If it's your first visit, you'll usually get this pop-up of the code. I'm just going to get rid of that a second just so you can see this interface. So if you want to see that code again, we just click on the actual Google Tag Manager container code here, or the container ID number here. So if we click on it, we'll have these two pieces of code. One piece of code that needs to go into the head of your page, and one piece of code that needs to go into the body. So I'm going to copy over the head. Excuse me. I'm going to copy over the head code. Make sure that's copied. I'm going to go over to my website, and we're going to go to the your WordPress dashboard, and we're going to go down to Theme Editor. Now, I'm using a child theme, so I recommend that you also do the same and not to make any changes to your main theme. I'm going to go to my child theme, and I'm going to navigate to the theme header. Wait for that to load. And in the theme header, I'm going to insert this piece of code just under where we can see the head tag. Okay, and then I'm going to find where the body tag is. So we can see that the start of the body tag is here. So I'm going to go back over to Tag Manager, copy the body tag, and I'm going to paste that there. I'm then going to update file. Okay. And then I'm going to open my site in a new tab. So one way we can check this is that if we go and use the Google Tag Assistant Chrome browser extension, we're just going to enable that, refresh. And we can see that this is picking up the Google Tag Manager that we've just installed. Another way to do it is that if we go through back to our Google Tag Manager interface, we can go to Preview, and this will put it into the preview mode. So then if we go back to our tab with our website, we can refresh this, and we should see there we go. So the Google Tag Manager debugging tool has popped up on our page, so that confirms that it's in place. Now what we can do is go through each individual page and just check that that's actually appearing on all pages, so we can see, just to test it. But yeah, I mean, you should be okay, as if you've implemented it correctly, it should all be fine. So what you can see on the shop is that we have got Google Tag Manager here, but one thing that we just want to make sure to do just right at the end is we can leave preview mode, and I'm just going to make sure that this Google Tag Manager is actually initialized. So I'm just going to publish that. And then we have it all done. So hope that helps, and thanks for watching.